Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and as you can see, it's snowing behind me. It was literally 70 degrees yesterday, and it is 30-something degrees and snowing today. Tomorrow it's going to jump back up to 50 degrees. I don't know, Mother Nature can't make up her mind here in Colorado. So, since I can't fly outside, I'm going to make a miniature tiny whoop track inside of my house. We're going to race it around. Hope you enjoy the footage.
Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to this sound. Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to this sound. Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to this sound. Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to this sound. Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town. Life's so much better